choosing between a healthy lifestyle and enjoying the benefits of living on this planet. LifeWave is here to solve that problem with the X39 stem cell activation patch, which works radically quick and naturally. Just place the patch on your body and feel X39's patented light-activated technology working its magic, backed by real science and clinical trials. Elevating copper peptide is a proven method to reset thousands of genes back to a younger, healthier state. The result is an unparalleled level of health and vitality. LifeWave X39 patches help stimulate stem cell production, providing your blood with the nutrition you need for your body to do amazing things. LifeWave X39 patches are not a magic pill. No nonsense, no prescription drugs or novelty items here. For a long time we've been dreaming about something more effective than pills, sprays or cleanses that could help our aging population get healthier, stronger and look younger again. And now it's here. Look for this revolutionary cutting-edge wearable technology. Sign up for more info here on the 12 health improvements. Go to the link in the description and sign up for your free ebook.